good morning. It's 5:16 in the morning. I'm in Davao right now. Kasi I was about to attend. Actually, I'm here to attend a training and a conference. So yeah. And the first thing that I'm really excited about is running. Look at my tummy. And this is my fit for today. So I have to run. Wala lang. I just miss running. And I really wanted to run so bad. Pero medyo malayo kasi dito yung running area. Safe running area, I think. So it's People's Park in Davao. So it's already 5 a.m. So I think I'm gonna go. Anyways, run with me. Bye. I'm saying bye. Run with me here in Davao. So here's my belt. I don't know, I can't live without my belt. I like this one. So I got my watch. I got money here. Where's my money? I got my extra money. And I also got my ID, just in case. I got my ID and extra money. This here at the back. Oh, because honestly my face is not really in good condition right now. Hindi ko alam bakit pag alam mo yun, may lakad ka tsaka naman nag-aano umaarte yung mga tigibig mo sa mukha. Secured na ba ikaw, te? Okay. So ito ka, girl. Okay. Running boat is good. Let's go. Let's go. 5:22. Let's go down. Ta-da! It's almost 1. Okay, so I've run 1.7 kilometers. Oh. Okay. So yeah, I'm here at People's Park. Okay, so this is it. People's Park. It's okay though. I'm walking right now. I'm at 2:47. I started 2:05. Done with my 6 km. Need to go home. Actually need to do some post workout stretches. Okay. I really enjoyed that. Very good. What we're doing. Oh, nakadaan. Yeah, I see some benches. Yun na ako mag-post. workout stretches.